In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install Internet Download Manager on Windows 10 or 11 to significantly speed up your file transfers. Before we dive in, please consider hitting the subscribe button and giving this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. With that said, let's get straight into the installation process. If you are tired of slow browser downloads or interrupted files, IDM is the gold standard for managing your data and boosting download speeds on any modern PC. To get started, open your web browser and search for Download IDM in the search bar. Make sure to click on the official link from the Internet Download Manager website to ensure you're getting the genuine software. Then click on the large Download Internet Download Manager button to begin the process. Once the file has finished downloading, navigate to your browser's Downloads page and click on the installer to launch it. Follow the on-screen instructions in the Installation Wizard by clicking Next, accepting the license agreement, and selecting your installation folder. After the app is installed, return to your browser and look for a pop-up in the top right corner asking you to enable the IDM extension. If it appears, simply click Enable Extension to integrate it with your browser. If you don't see the pop-up, click on the three dots in the top right corner of your browser, where you should see a notification about a new extension being added. Click on that and then select Enable Extension. If the extension still isn't showing up, go ahead and restart your Chrome browser to allow the setup to trigger the integration automatically. Once the browser restarts, you should see the prompt in the top right corner or under the menu dots. Finally, try downloading a file to see if the IDM dialog box appears, confirming the setup was successful. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave a comment if you have questions or a specific video request. I'll see you in the next one.